What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Lewis, and on today's video we have a brand new bowling ball review, this time for the Brunswick Hypnotize. So we had the Vaporize, which was a pearl, we had the Mesmerize, which was a solid, now we have the Hypnotize, which is a hybrid. Before we get into any details behind this ball, please consider subscribing to the channel. We're on the way to our next big major milestone, and I cannot get there without you. If you'd like to order this bowling ball based on this review, or really just to help me out, use the link down below in the description, or to take you to JB Bowling Supply's website, which is a local pro shop here in Las Vegas that I get all my stuff drilled at. I would appreciate if you went through them. If you'd like to order the ball spinner, the link is also down below in the description. And if you'd like to order one of the jerseys featured on my channel, you can go to efx.co and use my promo code Napoles10. That'll get you 10% off your entire order. All right, so let's talk about this Hypnotize. It's the tri-elliptic core, which in 15 pounds has an RG of 2.50, so not super low, not super high. A max differential of 0.056, which is rather high, and an intermediate differential of 0.017. And then all of that is wrapped around the HK22C Evo hybrid cover stock. So anytime you see HK22C, you know it's something that I am going to match up with. And that comes out of the box at a 2000 finish. So it's a nice finish. I don't like balls that are like 1000 finish. I don't really like the 3,000 or 4,000s. 2000 is a nice number. And then with the layout, it's the same layout that I've been using on all my stronger asymmetric stuff, being 5.5 by 4.5 by 3. So this is one that I am on the fence about if I'm really excited about it or not, because I really loved the Vaporize, didn't really love the Mesmerize. So I'm kind of torn in between a love and a hate. So I'm excited. I don't really have a whole lot of big asym hybrids. So this is something that I hope I'm really gonna match up with. We are not gonna be bowling on a house shot. We're gonna be bowling on the 2021 PBA Viper oil pattern. So it's a 2-to-1 ratio, 39 feet here at Samstown. Let me know down below in the comments. Have you ever bowled on a PBA pattern? Are you excited to have the Hypnotize added into your arsenal? Why or why not? We'll see you on the lanes. All right, guys, so this is gonna be the first shot here ever with the Brunswick Hypnotize. I just got done throwing the track stealth mode on this lane. So the lanes are very minorly transitioned, basically a fresh shot, not a house shot. Remember, it's the 2021 PBA Viper, 2-to-1, 39 feet. We're gonna take a guess. This ball has literally never gone down the lane. I'm just gonna guess here. See what this looks like. I'm about 25 with my feet, looking at like 10 down lane. Missed right for sure. Missed right, and I think I missed it at the bottom. So it's not the best first shot. We'll reset the rack and throw another shot. All right, so we're not gonna make a move quite yet because the last shot I missed right. I like the way it looks, like it's pretty going down the lane. We'll make a move here off this one if it doesn't look great. Yeah, that looks pretty good, man. Like, it almost looks more silver as it's going down the lane. I think that this is gonna be a really good ball. I don't know if it's gonna be like a transitional ball or first ball out of the bag, because it is a big asym core, but the cover just doesn't feel very strong. Feels pretty clean, feels pretty responsive, but we're only 2 shots in so far. Yeah, that shot there looked really good. So we're gonna keep building from there and see what transpires here. Definitely got that in, and it hooked a ton. This ball's strong. I think on a house shot, this thing is gonna be wickedly quick down lane, but I do like the surface at 2000. I don't think I would change that at all. I definitely would not polish this ball either. I think that this is a really good finish out of the ball. I think it's for sure better than the Mesmerize, and the jury is out on the Vaporize, and I'm leaning more towards this. Like, if I had to rank them, I think Hypnotize, Vaporize, Mesmerize, for me. One man's opinion. I also didn't throw either of those balls two-handed, so, you know, keep that in mind as we progress here as well. All right, so 2 Brooklyn shots in a row, and it's not because I'm in the wrong part of the lane, it's just that I keep missing left. So let's just make a better pitch here than the last 2. There we go. Yeah, as long as I just don't yank it left, it looks really good. I really like the way this comes off of it. I threw the Trek Stealth mode. Like I said, I really like that one. And in that video, I mentioned that I was excited to throw that one on house. I think I might be a little bit more excited to throw this one on house because I think this one is more user-friendly, more house shot type ball where it's not super, super early. It's not super smooth. It's not very forward. It really comes off it pretty nice. Yeah, this ball's really good. I don't know if it's the ideal ball for the condition I'm bowling on. I think that as I get on a house shot, I think this is going to end up being even better than what it's looking like right now. Yeah, it's really good. I think I like this better than the Stealth mode. And as of the time of recording, I haven't thrown the Piranha or the Criterion Hybrid. So far of the 4 new balls, I like this one better than the Stealth mode. Yeah, so if I think this is gonna look even better on house, I'm impressed. It's on my list, definitely on my radar. Oh, not a great shot. I fell off like a mofo, but I'm impressed. This Hypnotize is good. The colors, the ball motion, what it does through the fronts, how it comes off the end of the pattern. This is just a really good bowling ball. Yeah, so let's keep building on that. That was a really good shot. I mean, every shot I'm more and more impressed. Oh, I wish that would have shot the messenger across. It doesn't feel like I'm bowling on a sport shot. You know, when I was doing the urethane balls, it felt like I was on a sport shot. When I threw the Black Widow Mania on that other lane, it felt like I was on a sport shot. When I threw the Stealth mode, it felt like I was on a sport shot. This one really doesn't, I don't feel like I'm bowling on something super tough. And don't get it twisted, I am bowling on a very tough pattern. Yeah, so I've seen all I need to see, but we'll throw a few more shots. I'm more and more impressed every shot with this Hypnotize. That was a really good shot. Like, really, really good shot. Wow. I'm like, okay, this ball's good. Hey, is this better than the Black Widow Mania? I don't know, man. It's close. It's close. All right, that last shot there is going to be the shot that I'm going to show people every time they ask me, hey, is that Hypnotize any good? That's going to be the one I show them. This right here is going to be the last shot of the day, last shot of the video reviewing the Brunswick Hypnotize. Whew. That's a damn good ball, guys. That is a damn good bowling ball right there. The Brunswick Hypnotize. It's a good one. You're gonna wanna get one. We'll see you later. Bro, that ball's nuts.